Our daily habits predict our future. The reason of this is to let y'all see the equipment I'm using to produce right now. I have a PreSonus FaderPort 16 production controller. This allows me to control the mixer, some of the plugins, and the transport controls, so I don't always have to use the mouse. And of course, I have my external keyboard because I'm using a MacBook Pro. For sound and audio, I have the Apollo MK2 by Universal Audio. It's called the Apollo Twin. And of course, the Focusrite that I received from the Los Angeles Film School. For monitoring, I'm using the KRK5 Silver Edition. No subwoofer yet. And I have two monitors with this Mokin device USB hub for my monitors and my external hard drives. Pretty simple setup. I have the microphone I received from the Los Angeles Film School for my tech kit. I also have I still keep it in the plastic because when it's not being used, I feel like dust. So yeah, this is the Aston Spirit microphone, and I got this from the Guitar Center, some kind of soundproofing. And of course I have the TC Helicon Voice Solo FX150 monitor and mixer combo, and I have a Shure microphone. I use Audio-Technica headphones, just like the one given to us at the Los Angeles Film School, but this is like the M50X, and we were given the M40. One of my first devices I got is the FaderPort Production Control Center. I have a complete control keyboard. This is a nice device, very awesome device. I also have a Schecter guitar, of course, and it's connected to a GK3, which is connected to the Boss, the Roland guitar synthesizer. All these devices do help make the sound awesome, and it adds more tone to your music. You definitely need the hardware, brothers and sisters out there, if you want to produce world-class stuff. Can't always rely on the box right there. Of course, it depends on the practice, the time dedicated. I don't want to say dedicated. I also have a DBX compressor, expander gate combination, and that also helps sometimes when I'm recording. I'm able to amplify before recording or even gate expand. These things just cost a few $100. I have Acoustic Singer VE8 by Boss. Lots of videos out there about this device and what it can do for live performances, but I incorporate it into my studio setup, and I do record vocals sometimes with it. Enhancement and pitch correction for vocals, you can harmonize with it. So many things you can do with it. Some stands I also got from the Guitar Center. An external hard drive, 1 terabyte, given to me by LA Film School. This unit right there. I do have something underneath here, some kind of a fan, a cooler that cools. This little guy here seemed to have a lot of heat coming out because it probably has some compression tubes in there to process your plugins. It lightens the load on the computer, and it also affects overall sound quality. So I'm still working on a comfortable seating because this actually gives me backaches, but it's perfect for now. And I actually created these for the soundproofing, and it does absorb the sound. If y'all want this, I can actually produce it for you at a cost. It actually works. You can do this. Somehow I need to put in this corner and that corner. I'm enjoying the sound of these colors. Brighten up the place because when I was shopping for the material, they had run out, and I just had to put in some irate colors. See me? Yeah, not forgetting the disc. Go on the Guitar Center website. That's where I bought it. I installed this to it. Another space for the keyboard that was given to me. Novation Launch Key 25 from Los Angeles Film School. Some kind of tray mount I bought from Amazon, and I put it in my own plywood, painted it nicely, and I got my little slide tray because the studio desk came without that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out. What happened?